This pipe has become loose and we had to put some blue tack on it, so it's really it's not very secure. We tried to tighten it, but it didn't work. Now this is a major problem here, where your mains lead has actually come out of here. If you can see it, it's bare. So this thing is loose. With the mains lead there should be a clamp stopping it from coming out of the main unit, which there isn't, or it appears that there isn't. Anyway, this is a fatal hazard. Somebody could get killed with this. This is not good. This unit was bought in August, so it's not even a year old.